Shatawali.
Shatawali.
What's that smell?
What smell?
You don't smell it?
I'm not perceiving anything.
You know this is the Nigerian embassy.
Just give me a minute, just a little time, okay? I'm looking for the key.
Is indoor. See, just leave my office now. I said.
To today's class.
Okay.
Today's class is very special.
Okay.
See, I was praying yesterday, and the Lord said you will get this visa.
Amen.
Yeah, so things. This one, I'm going to teach you things to avoid in Nigeria because I've already seen you getting the visa.
Mm-hmm.
So things to avoid in Nigeria, okay?
Okay.
So things to avoid in Nigeria. The first one, things and people avoid in Nigeria. This class is divided into two: things to avoid in Nigeria / job opportunities in Nigeria. So write it down. You need to take this into account. Okay. The first thing to avoid in Nigeria, when you get into Nigeria, maybe you're in the park and you see a group of people playing card.
Mm-hmm.
They might be playing card. They'll be like, choose a card, magicians, tricksters.
Okay.
Choose a card. And you look at this card and you know that yes, it's that card. You choose the card. And the guy will change. And you say, pick the card you choose. You think you're smart. Those people, avoid them.
Wow. Okay.
You see, avoid them. Why? Because that is their job. You can never win.
Okay.
You can never win because you have to put your money. To tell you, they'll tell you, put 10,000 to get 20,000. Double your money. Avoid them. Okay?
Okay.
Avoid those people. And also, avoid some WhatsApp groups. Avoid some WhatsApp groups. And there's some messages they send on broadcast messages. When they send you the broadcast message, they will say, send to 5 people. Or else you will die. Anybody that's sending that message, block them.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah, I get it.
Write it down. Beautiful. See people that play cards on the streets, even they just want to remove their belt and they will turn it and they will say, put your hand. If your hand is not enter. Any game on the streets, avoid. Okay?
Avoid street games. Okay.
Avoid street games. Beautiful. The second one. You might be, maybe one day you're working, you want to go and buy agege bread.
Agege bread.
Don't worry, you will get there. Maybe you're walking on the road, okay, and you want to buy something, and you see 2 people fighting. A man and a woman, they're fighting. Or a man and a man, they're fighting. Don't separate.
Okay.
Don't separate the fight. If possible, if they are fighting with their hand, you look for bottle. You look for things to make them to kill themselves. You give them knife, let them fight, or better still, avoid them. You want to know why?
Yes, why?
Because now person when they separate fights, their heads they break.
Okay.
You get me? So if you're going to separate the fight, you're the one that will be injured.
Okay.
Avoid card players and avoid where they are fighting.
Street games, street fights.
Yes. Street games, wisdom. Street games, street fight. Third thing.
Okay, number 3.
3. Where a father is beating his son. You see where a father will say, a father will look at his son and say, your papa, the father is causing himself. Avoid them.
Okay.
Avoid them. Where a father is beating his son. Avoid them. You see, because you're from the US, you can call the police on the father, right?
Yeah, shouldn't I do that?
No! If you call the police will arrest you.
Why? Is that not child abuse?
Child is in the constitution. It's one of the fundamental human rights. Fathers, beat your children. Mothers, kill your daughters. So when they're doing this, it's a human right. So avoid them.
Okay.
You get me?
Okay.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So how many things you should avoid? Street games, street fights, fathers and mothers beating their children. So now this one is very important too. I have to say it. Write it down.
Okay.
And hold your ear. Avoid Yoruba men. Yoruba men, aka Yoruba demons.
Demon. Okay.
Especially people answering Femi. Is it Femi? Avoid them.
How can I tell that they're Yoruba?
They used to have Mark. Mark. Avoid them. I don't want to say it too much. Because they might come after me. Avoid them. Avoid Yoruba men.
Okay.
And if you see an Igbo man, especially someone answering Ozo, hold them tight. You get me? Write it down. See, I see you getting this visa. So I need you to write down these things. Okay? I told you what to avoid. Okay? So now let me tell you the job opportunities.
Okay. Job opportunity.
So now, as you're going to Nigeria, what kind of job opportunities do you think you'll have?
Maybe like some business opportunities.
Business opportunities, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. To get business opportunities in Nigeria, it will only take the grace of God. But I'm going to give you two job opportunities and one weird fact in Nigeria. Okay, two job opportunities. The first one is Agberu. Agberu.
Okay.
You see, now this one, the government has created it for the youth. If you don't have a job, this one, as you're born, poop, it's a job. You go to the street, you look for a bus stop, and you stand there. Anybody you see, you take money from. As you're a youth, you wake up, that's your job. Become an Agberu.
So like a pocket thief?
It's not pocket thief. These are job opportunities.
Okay.
Agberu. The number one fine boy Agberu is Brother Shaggy.
I know Brother Shaggy.
Follow his footsteps.
Okay.
Be an Agberu. Job opportunities. Write it down. Agberu. You see, the Agberu, they are known as the local police. You see, when they tell you, pay money. When they tell you, give me this money, they are collecting tax. You get me? Beautiful. Agberu. The next one is betting. Betting. You see, in Nigeria we have NigerBet.
Okay, Nigeria.
And we have SureBet. You see these two bets? NigerBet and SureBet. You see these two bets? Great job opportunity for the youths. You can use $2. You can use 50 cents. You can use 50 cents. 50 cents, not $50. You can use 50 cents the human being or 50 cents the money. Anyone you want to use. Anyone you use, you will win 100 million. With 50 cents, you can win 100 million. Don't ask me how.
Okay.
Don't ask me how. This is a job opportunity for the youth. SureBet or NigerBet, but I bet you the sleep will be long. You get me? Beautiful. So write it down. The job opportunities: SureBet, NigerBet, or NigerBet, and Agberu.
Yeah, I have that.
So just two job opportunities. Inside the SureBet, inside the bet, you have NigerBet and SureBet.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah, okay.
And you see, when you get to Nigeria, a week or 2 days, if the sun hits you well, If this one hits you here, not so happen to, but if it hits you here, you might be walking on the street and you shout, Mado. You get me? When you shout Mado, relax. It's the geographical movement of your body. That means you're now a proper Nigerian.
Okay.
When you're walking on the street and you shout Mado, Mado, that means the sun has hit you here. You understand? Beautiful. So now, those are the things to avoid and job opportunities in Nigeria. So when you go, you don't need to worry about getting a job. Just get 50 cents, 100 million. You get me? That's just it. Okay? So we are done for today's class. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. I'll see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you.
So you enjoyed that video, right? You enjoyed the video and you have not subscribed. What are you waiting for? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button, turn on that notification bell and share. Don't forget to drop a comment, okay? It's not that I love you, but I love you. See you later.